What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, we have a basic ABC medium ball fade with the 1.5 metal against the grain. Very much the same haircut I did the last time. But the last video I posted received a lot of comment, a lot of drama, a lot of, you know, this and that. I love it. Keep the comments coming. Shout out to Cuz from Custom Made Barber Shop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Did I say Jacksonville? I said something else. Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Okay, yeah, Jacksonville, Florida. All right. Now let's get to the video. Okay, it's Friday. It's lunchtime. You know. All right. Let me adjust the camera and get going. By the way, if you're new to the channel, this is the time that you subscribe right now. Right now. Press all the buttons in front of you. Thank you. The channel is growing. By the way, if you don't already know, when I hit 1 million subscribers, I will be giving away a Ferrari. Tell a friend, tell everybody you know, tell grandma, whoever wish to have a Ferrari. Forward the video, like, comment, whatever colors you like. It doesn't matter to me. I'm gonna take you shopping. All right, let's get going. This video is going to be fast. We gotta go. The last time I used my freestyle technique. This time I'm going to go back to the basics. Let me zoom in a little bit more. I don't want you guys to miss a beat on this video, I'm telling you. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. Boom. All right, press that line with the OA. Quickly. Yeah, the last video I posted got a lot of drama, a lot of comments. You know, I love it. I appreciate all of those who commented. God bless you. The love, the hate, it doesn't matter to me. Keep them coming. I just put the OA down. This is 000 into it. If you're familiar with watching my videos, what I do here is very predictable. Nothing special. I mean, it is special. I don't think so. But whatever. Whatever conclusion that you have, it doesn't matter. But this is my perception. I don't think all detachable blades are special. But somehow, some way, me and Ricardo happens to be the only one who committed ourselves to it. You guys don't know who Ricardo is. He's a future YouTuber. Ricardo's in the room, by the way. Yep. This is the guy when I retire from the channel. I'm going to make sure that I pass the channel back to him. Okay? About, you know, another 20 years from now. The Barber Illuminati gonna, you know, move on. And I'm gonna make sure Ricardo inherit that channel. How about that? Hey, there you have it. You have it on camera. Okay. I'm finished. I'm done with the first guideline. I did OA 00050. Now we have a 1.5 on top against the grain. I'm gonna take the top down. Let's go. Shout out to Brian Fade. He's in the building. Ferris Cuts. Who else? And shout out to all the non-barbers in the building. Shout out to my model here. Okay, this is a future doctor. Okay. Enough with the 1.5. Okay, now I'm going to go right into it with the 1A, 1OA, 000. Let's go. This is my 1A into the 1.5. This video will not be edited. What you see is what you get. There's no enhancement, none of that. This is my 1 into the 1A. OA into the 1. A little bit of my 000, very light. I don't use much of it. Shout out to Guns of the Barber out of Florida. Thank you for watching. There's a gentleman out of New Jersey. I keep forgetting his name all the time. What's up? Okay. I'm going to repeat some of the steps, starting with the 1A into the 1.5. Thank you. A little bit of that 1. Easy now, easy. I'll be right over there. Okay. YouTube, as you can see, I'm a very busy guy. I take the time out of my precious day to make sure that I record some videos here for you guys. I find it hard to believe some people would take the time to hate Unbelievable. Hey, but you know what? You gotta have haters in this world. You got to, you know? Can you imagine a world without haters? It would not be a world. Also, I have a lot of people that just appreciate what I do on the channel. You know, I appreciate that too. God bless the haters and the lovers. But I find it hard to believe somebody take the time. They read a whole sentence, but you know, it's just like a waste of precious time on doing something destructive. I find it hard to believe. I really do. So why would somebody do that? If you're not feeling the video, move on. But no. But anyway, let me take it out. I think this is it. Put a little bit more of that 1.5. Quickly. I'm going to go with the lining, make sure it's nice and sharp, and that's it, really. Alright YouTube, this is the cut. If you watched the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. Feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.